Hey, how are you? I hope you're having a fantastic day. We're here to talk about cryptocurrency news. Bakkt Starbucks is launching a Bitcoin consumer app. And this is fabulous news. This just means, well, as many of you are already aware, the Bakkt Exchange is a joint venture between the owner of the New York Stock Exchange, Microsoft, and Starbucks. The three of them have teamed up to create a brand new cryptocurrency exchange that went live on September 23rd. And today, October 28th, we have news that they have just announced that they're launching a Bitcoin consumer app, because the Bakkt Exchange itself is for institutional grade investors that are investing $1 million or somewhere in that ballpark, just a significant amount of money. And so the regular people like you and I, we're not able to get onto the Bakkt Exchange and actually buy and sell cryptocurrency futures, but they are launching a consumer app. So let's get into this. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion. I am not smarter than you. You are smarter than you realize. Do not trust what I say. Do your own research. So, the Bakkt Exchange, Bakkt is launching a consumer app in the first half of 2020 and will test products with Starbucks. Bitcoin derivative provider Bakkt plans to launch a cryptocurrency consumer app and merchant portal in the first half of 2020. The firm announced in a blog post on Monday. In the blog post, Bakkt Chief Executive Officer Mike Blandina states, "We'll be launching a consumer app to make it easier for consumers to discover and unlock the value of digital assets, as well as ways in which they can transact or track them. Merchants gain access to a broader set of consumers with expanded spending power." Blandina also adds that Bakkt plans on testing its consumer app and merchant portal with Starbucks, its first launch partner. Earlier this year, the block reported that Starbucks was receiving a generous equity deal as part of its partnership with Bakkt. Sources suggested that Bakkt's equity share was disproportionately high, given that it did not make a cash investment. So it's interesting that Starbucks was given a significant amount of equity in the Bakkt Exchange, and yet they did not make any kind of cash investment into it. And, one of the things, there was an article a year ago, August of 2018, where Starbucks publicly came out and said that they will not be accepting cryptocurrency or Bitcoin at the Starbucks stores. And so we're looking for more information. We're looking to do some additional research on this. If you hear anything, please let us know. Please put a comment in the YouTube video below and let us know that you found more information on this. And we will also be looking for confirmation that Starbucks really, and I want to hear it from Starbucks, because the information we're talking about today has come from the Bakkt company, but we'd like to hear it directly from Starbucks, that Starbucks is planning on using this app and that it will be accepting cryptocurrency in its stores. But given that this information is coming from the Bakkt Exchange, I think there's a large degree of credibility in it. I'm just looking for some additional confirmation directly from Starbucks, especially since in August of 2018, Starbucks specifically said just the opposite. And so that may have all changed. That was over a year and several months ago, but hey, you never know. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. How can I be of service to you? Please leave comments down below. Let us know what you're thinking. Let us know what you're interested in. Let us know how we can help you better navigate this crazy world of internet money. In the meantime, I hope that you'll like, subscribe, and hodl. Have a fantastic day.